Hello, I'm Pete Starkey at Real Time with IPC. Here with Tony Mattingly from Rogers Corporation. Tony, it's great to meet you and thank you for joining us this morning.
Yeah, good to meet you too, thank you.
We know Rogers as a supplier of specialist materials and particularly for the sort of high frequency applications. What's your view of the market presently, and how's the market driving manufacturers like yourselves into new products?
Yeah, sure. So one of the largest markets that we supply into is wireless infrastructure, and with the evolution towards 5G, there's a lot of changes in how the antennas are designed and the structures are designed. So a lot more PCBs are being used and a lot more multi-layer board constructions.
Yeah.
So it's not just simple double-sided boards anymore. With that evolution, we're seeing a drive for materials that provide more opportunities for multi-layer board constructions, meaning that people want thinner cores, more pre-preg options with different thicknesses, in some cases foil lam options as well, so sheeted foil on the outside.
What sort of frequency range are you having to consider as a working range for your materials?
Yeah, so there's a variety. So right now it seems like the primary frequency range is between 2.5 gigahertz and 3.5.
Yeah.
But in future 5G structures, we're looking around 28 gigahertz to 30 gigahertz.
Yeah. 5G is the big driver for you.
That's correct.
Yeah. What sort of materials, in terms of the nature of the resins, the nature of the reinforcements, do you need to achieve what the users require of you?
So the product lines that I manage are the RO4000 series, which are hydrocarbon thermosets, glass reinforced, so rigid boards.
Yeah.
It seems like a popular choice for a lot of the wireless infrastructure OEMs. They process easily. Good electrical, mechanical, and thermal properties.
And the signal integrity guys can design within the parameters of your materials.
Correct.
And get the results that they're looking for.
That's correct.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
I think that there's going to be a much increasing demand for these materials, particularly as we build the 5G infrastructure. How do you respond and react to that?
Yeah, so we've invested heavily in the past couple of years and going forward over the next year in infrastructure. So we put in numerous lamination presses. We're bringing a new treater online in 2020, the beginning of 2020. We just bought another manufacturing site in Chandler, Arizona. So for the RO4000 series, that brings the total manufacturing sites to 5. So holistically looking at that, over a 3-year period, we're bringing on about 40% additional capacity.
Yeah. Geographically, where are your major markets?
Mostly Asia. Mostly Asia right now. And then around 60 to 70% of our demand is in Asia, and then that's an even split between Europe and the U.S. We've got manufacturing locations in each of those regions.
So you can serve a home
Correct.
market from your home manufacturing base.
Correct.
Is there anything else that we ought to talk about, Tony?
No, I'm just excited to be here. I'm excited to talk about our new materials with our customers, learn more about the market, and I do appreciate the opportunity to have a discussion with you.
Well, it's great to have the opportunity to speak with you. That's right. Thanks for sharing the information with us. And I know we're getting towards the end of the show, and I'm sure it's been a successful show for you so far.
It has,
but, I hope you can look back on this week as a great success story.
Always.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us, Tony.
All right, thank you.
Pete Starkey, Real Time with IPC. Thank you.